Morning everyone, episode 44 of the Asana Morning Podcast, and today I wanted to talk to you about the way we use Asana to manage our content factory. I don't share my screen during the Asana Morning episodes, but I'll try to give you a big picture of how we work. We have a lot of content, and each piece of content that we create usually goes out to many different channels. We have several LinkedIn accounts, we have the forum in French and English, we have YouTube as well, we have different newsletters, so everything we do goes to different channels. We have improved our content factory a lot over the last couple of years, and I think we ended up with a pretty good system. We basically have a project with a list of ideas, all the things we want to talk about. We have like an editorial committee, which is basically just a few of us deciding what we want to actually publish about. So we pick a couple of topics. Those topics go into our content factory project. That content factory project has different sections, including one that says, let's create that content. When you do this, it creates two subtasks. One is for video, one is for text. We then assign each other on the subtask depending on who's going to do the work. If you work on the text, you work in the main task and you write your text either in English or in French. And then we have a couple of statuses that would automatically assign to our assistant when one version is done so that she can translate to the other version. For videos, we have to shoot the videos in two languages, obviously. Once a text is ready, and a text in French is ready or a video in English is ready, we change statuses on the task, and that triggers the creation of other subtasks. We actually create one subtask for each channel that makes sense. To give you an example, if you wrote something in English, so text in English, and you change the status by saying it's ready, we create a subtask for the English forum, my LinkedIn account, the other LinkedIn groups we have, and the English newsletter we have. If you do the same thing for the French version, you're gonna get the French forum, the French LinkedIn account, etc. Those subtasks go into the channel project. So for example, the French forum subtask goes into the forum project. So we have a forum project that shows everything we are supposed to publish on the forum. And that's where we go when we decide usually what to publish when, because we try to spread that content all week and always publish on the same date, for example. So that's what we use. In addition to going into each channel project, we also have the subtask go into a main calendar project. So that's just a project where everything is multi-homed and we use the calendar view. And that allows us to see everything everyone has published and will publish for each of the channels. We use colors for the channels. So we see that we have YouTube's on Monday, we may have the forum Tuesday, we have a newsletter on Friday. So we really see our entire calendar using this system. It works really well. It actually requires us to have a little bit of custom code to improve some of the stuff we had. Otherwise, it's using Asana natively completely. And I would be really happy to show you if you want. This is something we can implement for you. We can also teach you how to do that yourself. This is the kind of work we do at i.DO, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a wonderful day. It's very sunny for me. I hope it is for you too.